just going to do a recap of the construction or rebuild of this starboard wingtip. Keith had got all the bits back from the painters and he started the assembly. So the first shot is of the 27th of August. This shot shows he's got the two spars in, the front spar and the rear spar anchored down. He's put two intercostals and one rib fitted, not counting the bottom rib, which is where the construction started. Move on to the 31st of August, which was a bank holiday in between, so not a lot has got done. He's just added another rib in the few days. Move on to September the 9th, the next visit, and he started riveting the top skins on the bottom one, and he's moving up now towards the centre. He's added more intercostals and more stringers.
Yeah. Touch.
September the 15th, more intercostals have gone on, a few more stringers and more riveting of the skins. September the 22nd, 2020. All the stringers are now fitted, all held on by cleats. All intercostals are in, and also assembled all the ribs, and more skins have been added. More panels fitted.
You've got the ident tags on. Yeah, the ident plates. Dates of, you know, when it was
What, first constructed?
first constructed, yeah, and any mods that are made to it are on there.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I say we're still waiting for.
Oh, you've got that block, didn't you?
Yeah, I've got it there. Sorry, it's on the end of there, but it's all been varnished.
Oh.
Been varnished 3 times now. The block.
Oh yeah.
That's just like a bung that goes on.
Yeah, you've had it fitted and.
Yeah, we've had it in there. That's going to go back in there later on when I've stopped helping Keith. So we've had that in there. It's 3 screws through there.
Yeah.
And that blocks all that up.
Yeah.
We've got this riveted down this side now.
Oh, you've got it. Oh, you put that on.
Yeah, that's not coming off again now. That's got the solids.
Yeah.
The solids in. Did that the other day. So we just wait for the join up now of, of the top one.
Yeah, that's just this.
Yeah, that's the clamp for the positioning the leading edge.
Yeah.
Because that's already preset from what the old one was.
Yeah.
So when you just take that off of there, that goes through into there. Turn that off of there, then that goes into the slot and comes up to the.
So it's a rigid spot on then.
Yeah, and then you bolt it up, and that pulls it into exactly where the position it was originally.
Yeah.
And there's another one here.
Oh, I didn't notice that before. Yeah.
I only put the tape on them because I kept on hitting my head on them.
Yeah, you don't want to damage it, do you?
No.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, and another thing, when we was talking the other day, because people have, about the filler you put in between on the studs between the wing and the wingtip. The studs got, and you put a filler because there's a gap of about 1/8 of an inch, isn't there?
Yeah.
What sort of filler do you use?
I'm not sure on this whether they use. I think originally it was the cloth tape. You know.
The Irish linen sort.
Yeah, Irish linen over the top, and then it's kind of sealed.
Yeah.
To thing. I don't know what they're going to do on this. Whether they're going to use that as original, or they'll use modern sealant.
Yeah.
To fill the gap.
Yeah, they could do, couldn't they?
Yeah.
Modern one.
Because I think the French had used PRC, which is the modern sealant.
Yeah.
They'd used that, but obviously back in the day when it was made, they didn't have PRC.
Yeah.
So I should imagine they used Irish linen.
Yeah. Or the equivalent to Irish linen.
Yeah, well they don't use it anymore. They use that modern. They've got like a white tape, you know, where Jack was here, he was
Yeah,
doing
he was doing the wings with it.
yeah,
wasn't he?
exactly the same stuff as
Yeah.
that.
Oh, good.
The same stuff we did the, you know, when we covered the ends of the fins,
Where
we
you
put it
couldn't
round
get 'em-
over the wood,
It was cold and they wouldn't.
and it wouldn't stick.
No. Yeah, I remember them. Yeah.
Yeah, when I was putting it on with the resin.
Oh, the resin. That's
Yeah,
right.
that's
yeah.
right. Painting it on with the resin
Yeah.
and then cutting it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that stuff,
Oh, right.
just to seal the gap.
Yeah.
But I don't know what they'll use.
No.
All the clips are in for the conduits now, for the wiring conduit.
Has Sven put his tubing in?
No, I've put all the tubing in.
Oh, you put tubing in?
Yeah, put all the clips are on there now, all riveted on. It's just I haven't put the tubing in at the moment because we're still riveting up, and it gets in the way of Kev getting in with the block.
Yeah.
But once that last skin's done, before this side goes on, the conduit will be put in and bolted up, and then Sven will run his wires through before we put the skins on this side.
Yeah. Oh, and you said, oh, Kev, you know when you was doing the block, you said it was a titanium block.
Tungsten.
Tungsten.
Yeah.
Sorry, tungsten. Yeah.
Yeah, tungsten rivet blocks, yeah.
Yeah, tungsten. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Just anything with a lot of weight behind it, that's all it is.
Yeah.
Like that one. You feel the weight of that.
Yeah, it is solid, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's tungsten, that one. And there's another one we've got knocking around here. That one as well. You feel the weight of that. And that's Inconol.
Inconol. How about recording that? That's Inconol.
Yeah.
So,
that one's Inconol.
this wood here, is this what Kev's just been showing me on his bung at the
that's
bottom?
that's the same stuff they've made up.
Yeah.
It's ash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you've just got to just give you an extra length in case you made a mistake.
Just give us about 4 attempts.
Yeah. And that's one of them, is it?
Yeah, that's the original.
Yeah. Well, that's the original.
Yeah, that's the original. You see where the screw holes where it gets screwed in? I'll show you.
STB. It's got a broken screw in the old one.
See, that's the bottom section of the leading edge that fits on there, and that wooden plug sits in there. That
way, yeah, there's only one way around it there.
Yeah. See, and it's screwed through.
Yeah.
If you can see it. There. See, it's screwed through. 2 screws in it. 2
screws that side and 3 or 4 the other side.
And then there's 3
across there.
That go from that front little angle. See
I can see
the bottom of the rib.
Yeah.
You screw that to that first.
Yeah.
And then put the edge on, and that should make a nice closing thing, stop all the ingress up there and give it a bit of stability.
Yeah. And this is not laminated, is it?
No, I think that's made out of one piece of ash, I think. Where the 2 is made.
Oh, that's good. And this is well, I suppose they couldn't make small pieces.
Would it just make a length?
It'd be easy to make a length. It would a small piece, wouldn't it?
That's right.
Yeah.
Especially planing it or putting it through a machine.
Yeah.
To get the profile. It's easier to make a long piece and then cut it off afterwards.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Oh. And that's the sweep you're working on now, is it?
Yeah, I'll progress on that once I've done that bit.
Yeah.
I've got to do the side skin there that Sim's made for us.
Yeah.
And then get that fitted, and once that's done I'll progress on to the top and put the top sweep in and the skins on that.
Yeah.
Because they've got to be trimmed and dimpled and
yes, they have,
shaped.
Will you get it done before November? As long as it takes, depends on the leading edge and trailing edge,
That's
isn't
right.
it?
Yeah, it depends how much trouble
Yeah.
Sim's having made trouble making the leading edge.
On the Rivet Club newsletter,
Oh yes.
Andrew says they're going to make it out of one piece line, one straight piece, and they're going to send it to Simone to put the curve on.
Oh, what, the leading edge?
No, the trailing edge.
Oh, the trailing edge.
Yeah, he said they're going to machine it flat to start with, because
right.
it tapers, doesn't it, as well?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
And then, according to the letter, he's sending it down to Simone, who's going to bend it to the shape they want.
Oh, was she? I don't
Yeah.
know, no one's told me.
But they've still got the material, and it's still got to go to their stress house to make sure it's the modern material is the same
yeah, equivalent.
texture or whatever, same equivalent as
The
the other.
original ones were cast, you see,
Yeah, yeah,
and obviously this will be machined out of a billet.
yeah. They said it was a long, as I say, a long strip, and then she was going to put the curve in. So
Yeah.
I'll have to
Alright.
wait and see. Whether putting the curve in, whether it'll have to go out to get heat treated after
I should
that,
imagine so. It'll have to be
to
soft.
take the stress
She
out.
won't get that radius of curve in something that's really
Yeah.
hard. It'll just crack.
Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. That'll keep me going for a bit. Keep your lad happy.
Oh yeah.